Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video. I just wanted to come on real quick and share a quick card with you all. Tomorrow, I'm going to upload this tomorrow, which is Friday, October 4th, is my anniversary, my wedding anniversary. My husband and I have been married for 21 years, and I had to make him a card. I've been making cards for him ever since. Oh, gosh. I think I may, even when we were dating, so it was before we were married. So I would say 23 years I've been making cards. Real, I dabbled in cards at that time. I didn't really make them like I do now, but so let me share what I did. So these are the colors of our wedding. Um, this is an A2 size card of 110 cardstock, so it's really thick. This is a silver cardstock from the Dollar Tree, but it's really cool. I layered navy blue paper and vellum, and I embossed the vellum with my old Tereese embossing folder. I just love how that looked. Then I punched out these hearts with an old Stampin' Up! Whale punch. Also used a Stampin' Up! Sentiment stamp from an old 2002 stamp set. Added some Creative Memories stickers, and this is a Dollar Tree heart sticker. And then in the corners, I used this Creative Memories punch that I've had in my stash forever. And I punched all four corners, and I added some silver rhinestones to it. So I think 21 is supposed to be brass. Yeah, it's supposed to be brass, but I don't really follow that. but I love the blue and silver. This is the first time I've actually used the colors of our wedding. Yeah, and then inside I layered more of that paper, and then I cut down this paper, um, the navy blue and the white, to write my sentiment. And I really love how that looks. So yeah, that is my anniversary card for tomorrow. I'm going to upload that. I'm going to upload this video on Friday for everybody um, to see. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.